if you just understand, like, I look like a normal guy, don't I? Yes. I mean, I wear a suit, I walk around, I don't look any different. All I know is a few things that I put together made me multimillionaire. And every time I was going to do something, I know what you go through. Like, come to be a co-sponsor in Puerto Rico. You're scared a little bit. Will he really give me clarity on what I need to do? Will I really do it? How long will I know this? Geez, maybe I'm not that smart. Or maybe you think, I'm content, I'm doing okay now. You go through all this. It happens to me too. I don't actually need to do any of this. I set it up so I can help my investors, because it immediately hit me. If I tell my investors, hey, you want to invest in my fund, and you're netting 600, and you're giving me maybe 300 or 400. What if I actually make you net an extra 250? Would you invest more? People be like, this is too good to be true. How come my CPA doesn't know? How come my tax attorney doesn't know? Because they don't know everything. They know how to fill out the paperwork. Fill out the box, initial, sign, send. Service. Right? It's like some real estate agents and brokers. They're masters of the comma. Fill out the address, put the date, initial, fill out the... Have you bought a property lately on sitting with somebody? Initial, sign, you forgot the date. The zip code is not completed. This is... Can you make any money? No, but I can fill out paperwork and I make my commissions. You make your commission, you pay federal tax, state tax, Medicare tax, Social Security tax, unemployment tax, insurance, errors and omissions. And then you have to share some money with the broker with whom you hang the license. And then you get sued and you're afraid. And you're trying to have lunch with your family on Saturday and somebody calls you, you gotta run. You understand? But they're like in their comfort zone.